Hi, I'm Mike
And I'm Molly.
with Virtuoso Builders here in San Antonio, Texas, and welcome to another edition of Remodel
Remodel
Your
Your
Thinking.
Thinking. So we get this often where we see homeowners, when there's always two homeowners who have a difficult time making a decision because one wants something and the other one doesn't, or they can't decide which way to go on a decision. And this is in remodeling with material selections or other things having to do with pre-planning on the house. So
We are going to give you the 6 most common decisions that our clients have a difficult time making.
yes, so be sure to stay all the way through the end, and we're going to give you how to tackle this situation when it comes up so that you can move forward on your remodel and be happy.
So topic number 1 is a tub or a giant shower. And typically some of our clients will say, well, we never even use a tub and I really need a giant shower.
And then our clients also say, well, what about resale? And I like to soak, or we have kids, or it just looks really pretty to have a beautiful tub in your bathroom. So
a decision to make. So the second topic we're going to discuss is, should we get a microwave drawer? The advantage is it's cleaner, it's built in, and it's not taking up valuable counter space.
but the counter to that is now I gotta bend over to get my stuff, or it's kind of expensive just for heating up leftovers.
Yep.
You know, maybe we should put our money towards something else and just get a normal microwave. I don't know. All right, the third topic is open shelving or floating shelving. And I like open shelving because it's very Pinterest worthy, it's really pretty, it's not as heavy as upper cabinets can be in place of open shelves.
But the counter to that is, it's open, that means it's going to get dusty, I've got to clean it all the time, and everything has to be nice and neat and orderly, and none of my coffee cups match. So definitely a decision that both people will have to get involved with.
We'll see who wins that one. The fourth indecision is double shower heads. Hear that one a lot. So because we went to a spa and it was fabulous in the hotel, and we really want a spa-like feeling when we go. It's just much more luxurious to have a double shower head. Well, why not?
Well, I can say why not. And that is, first of all, it's more expensive for the fixtures, for the plumbing, it takes up a lot more water, and honestly, I don't really take long showers, so I just want to get in and out. So topic number 5 for today is marble versus quartz for the countertop. Marble is timeless, it's beautiful, it's been around forever, obviously, but quartz
is a lot more less maintenance, and I like to cook. We have a lot of clients who like to cook, and you don't want to have to worry about every single time you have a lemon that it's going to stain and you have to clean up right away. Just low maintenance, less maintenance. I can get something that looks like marble.
That's right.
But it isn't. So. Last but not least is the decision of the open concept floor plan versus keeping defined rooms. So one side might say, I like it open because I entertain and I like gatherings and everybody likes to be together and see each other, and it's open and it feels good. It's not compartmentalized.
But the yin and the yang part might say that I want to have separate rooms. I don't want to hear TV in another room or the kids playing in another room. I like it to be compartmentalized. And that's definitely a decision that both people have to get involved with.
True that. So now the part you've all been waiting for. When you can't agree on any one of these decisions, this is what you need to do. We tell every one of our clients the same thing. Sit down together, grab your coffee, glass of wine, whatever makes you happy, and each of you get a piece of paper and write down a list of your needs and a list of your wants, and do it separately. Don't
Don't cheat.
Share. And then after you've written it down, then you share it with each other and you talk about it. And I guarantee you there's gonna be some commonalities, and you're gonna figure out, do you want an open concept? Do you want upper cabinets or just open shelvings? Do you want that microwave drawer? You will figure it out, and then there'll be no arguing because we are remodeling therapists after all.
That is true. So hopefully you liked our video, and if you did, please give us a thumbs up and a like, and tell your friends, your family, and anyone else that you know.
See?